Asem di kabre na asonyewie ne abadwafo atena se edi nkobomedin de akwasi insia. And I'm not sure Kumodia say about Bill Primary School. Yeah, no wale mention no emu about the poor state of the school. School yeah, baby akeka edru no. Ejiri egu aresa. Esu ye mofra etim na omu esua de. Eno ma ya we say school no ankasa classrooms e wo eye 3. But your classes from 1 to 6. It's class 1 and 2 after one class, 3 and 4 after another class, and a 5 and 6 after near twasono. Dear ama ye nia bre ewo ye primary schools no nyina eyese. The kind of attention you have fed the education nyina kwakọ wie free senior high schools no eye challenge at the boy my Ghana. Opie no obejina bia ka to say free senior high school ya de bone. Bi beka say bia de say ompa mani ye onwe Ghana de hye ho. But the form and state ya free senior high school woman no e ha Ghana. E ha yen. E mini sika but baby e mini sika egu no and asama e form no so no e huna mane. I can't remember somewhere 2018 when the finance minister Nyakwanya and Bernard Avle came on City TV. Olukas has expressed the same concerns about the state and form of free senior high school no are taking say M1 Ghana. But at the end of the day, no can say a cabinet policy. Olo as individual minister, a cabinet minister no, who cannot say a cabinet na mfa, o yan hwenye ye. Ye can say same way about say. Yem primary schools no huna mane. Yem primary schools no huna mane. E bi ene da TV so awo hwe no. Bio primary school wale. Quickly mam ko amaso na mini secretary Edema Bio Primary School PTA entwe enkomo enfa the state of the school no ho. Bibi nti ye bedi nkomo no wo brofokasemo. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Okay, thank you. So as a secretary to Bio Primary School PTA, how well have you drummed home for this demand of a new structure for the students?
Thank you very much, and I greet your listeners and your viewers. I am Upward Desmond, speaking from Walawale District, Northeast Region. Bio is a community under Walawale District. We are not happy about the state of our school, our primary school. As you can see, the local building there, it was constructed by the community themselves in 2019 to assist, to be able to accommodate the students, some of the students. And you know, since 2004, the school, when they built it, there was 3 classrooms, which will consist of primary 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And as I speak now, the school is now turned to be a death trap for the students. Because we, the community members, have tried our best, even renovation, changing of things, appealing to the district to come to our aid, to even renovate it. Can you imagine since 2004 till now, the school have not yet even renovated even once. So it has led the community members or the people in the community are now removing their walls from the school because it is now turned to a death trap because when it is just threatening to rain, there will not be a school.
Okay.
Because all the rings, the zincs and the blocks have cracked in such a way that you can't even feel comfortable to sit inside to learn. And we have appealed this thing to the district for so many times, and they are not responding to us.
Okay, so has the municipal chief executive of the district been visiting the school? Likewise, the education director in the district. What has been their reaction to this concern?
Yeah, I think our MP who has ever visited us once, but the municipal chief executive have not yet been here before.
Okay.
But we have been going to them, appealing to them to, come to our aid to, renovate the school for us and even add some classrooms. Because it cannot contain the students. And even looking at the structure now, I mean, how it is now, it's not even comfortable for students to, use it. So we have been appealing to them, saying them long time. Every time we have been, appealing to them, but they are not always care about us. I don't know.
Okay, so let's see, as secretary to the association, now, if you describe the structure as a debt trap, why are we still keeping students in there to learn? Is it not dangerous?
Yeah, that's why, as I said, when it is threatening to rain, the teachers have to excuse the students to go back home. Because even some of the parents are not comfortable for their works to attend the school. And what shall we do? Some are removing their students, sending them to other schools, and then some are even in the houses, going for hunting and farming. So
looking at the structure currently the students are occupying, as PTA, are you considering maybe closing down the school to draw more attention so that you save the children from any harm?
I think that will not be our next step, because we have tried our best. As it is getting to a rainy season, here normally the wind is always, the windstorm is always much.
Okay.
So it is not advisable as we are looking at the structure now. We will not advise that our students should be continue to be going to prison. Because something can happen now. Because you can see that we even went to, that building. You see that building, the local one.
Okay.
But the block itself, the school itself, the 3 classrooms, we cannot do anything. We have work on it and now.
Okay. Thank you very much, Mr. Desmond, for your time this morning.
Thank you very much, and we pray that this will get to our leaders and thank you.
Yeah. Eti Secretary Adom Bio Primary School PTA and I'm to say na etwe Mr. Desmond Asem tia wori nyina and say school na hwe no TV ni so no se na eti se enso mu na kakra bi o se pon enkwada no emo ekontimfa ho ne bra enso no ebemu na omo hwe se ebedu baby ne beto school nim se na be yankwada ne mana breach bi emebo school no. Before I wrap it up no, and now I appeal to the Vice President. Medicaka say it is not because ye unkwa na also ye, but because it's sick directly in your constituency, Mr. Vice President. Yet to me say enya hwan ma torenchem ensi. Emma nad bonko school kan say mo kire say ye bo kokko na amanfo antie. Emma MC nanti chewchew emfa convoy enkon ko hen kwada epra. Eni kwase etwen sa de no. Uwe school ya mpacho hwe no TV so ya school place nyina na yi school na kasa mukura achia. Ye twese bibi beto nkwada no. The same thing I know we see wo wager. Aferi and all of a sudden you see akwakoto boat. Yeah, I did life jacket, but to say na be akura no na mu a o menya bia hye. Me wanna all these years na akura nam so kwa life jacket kura bi enim. Ade ye tena so hwe manseboni si asana ya akte. Et ye tena si ama school yi ebu akunkwada ansa na se be Ghana mpanifo etwana mo wana. Mr. Vice President, Masaka BM, it is within your domain. Our constituency wale. Our chrome wale. So you need to act. Sempos are Bible cross one is car. Mr. Vice President, to me a genuine ya jiska the sister school. And Chairman Quaden was an offer you saying every crime. So correct yes. We did your question here. You never your fault, Nasi. You did pensem at us.